What do you think about your trip?
It's been fabulous. Besides my migraine right now.
Really? What else? What was your favorite part?
I know, but something with you guys. What did we do? Probably when I tackled you and you ate shit. Or
when I ate
in
shit?
the water and tackled me. Well, yeah, you kind of fell down hard.
I slipped. That had nothing to do with you.
With the pass. Sarah got beat. She flashed.
No, they did.
Sarah flashed.
Woo!
Beat. She lies.
She lies.
Don't tell Nick. What was your favorite part, Dana? Is that like on my nose?
My favorite part would be...
What?
Getting up with the older man.
Yeah.
DJ's dad invited you to
Just kidding.
party with him.
Oh my gosh, there's some really sexy girl in the stripes. Hey Mo, what was your favorite part of the trip?
Watching you body slam Jordan on the bed.
That
We will
seems
not be
to be an
reenacting that.
all-time favorite. Anything else?
Too bad we didn't get it
Don't tell me if I'm gonna fall. All from the camera bag. Woo!
Romantic anniversary dinner at the Hula Grill.
Yeah, all-time favorite. Okay, see you later.
Goodbye.
Yeah.
Aloha. Mahalo.
Aloha.